Hello everybody. Got some hens in the air. 6 hens. Just thought I'd better do a little update video on them 2 young birds that we got in the breeding section. So let's go in. Also the droppers. Got that young droppers. Excuse the mess. That young dropper's getting feathered up nice, look. Look at that, little ripper. Little beauty. Gone down on eggs again. Good mum and dad there. We've got a good mum and dad there, look. Gone down on eggs again. Now here we go. Should we put the light on? Oh, not that it's much better. Right, look at them 2 young ones. Feathered up now, look, so we can see. Look at. There you go. So what is the colour of that young bird then, people? Nice, isn't it? Look at that. And the nest, mate, is almost white. There are some light flecks of brown on it, but it's almost white. Probably molt out a bit browner, wouldn't it? There we go. Hey. Anyway, mum and dad has got 2 more eggs. This pair got 2 eggs, fertile, both fertile. And Dorothy's come off. She always come off the nest when I come in here. She's got 2 eggs that are fertile. The pair that are in here, 2 reds, I'll float with them up to here because this is the old hen and she is not going to lay an egg. So I put 2 dummy eggs under there and she was sitting them. So I'll just swap them over. So them eggs there are from that pair there, which is a pair of reds. And there's the grizzles out of the flying loft and into the stock loft. Just because I wanted some of that colour. And I locked them in the box for about 3 days. And then I locked her in the box and he obviously went backwards and forwards to see her. And 4 days later, 4 or 5 days later, I've opened up the front and she goes in there now. So she's alright. But yeah, sorted. Obviously in the stock loft, the fly loft, we've got 4 in here, 4 cock birds, and that's where the 6 hens live. So everything else is empty, awaiting the 2 young birds and the 1 dropper. I'll have them in here. Well, obviously I'll have them in here. And when I let any birds out, I'll just put the young birds into there so they don't get pecked. But yeah, I'll have the young birds in here. So then they can get on the roof from day 1. Anyway, it is spitting with rain, but that's no matter. There they are, look. They only went out a little while ago, to be fair. It's really cloudy. Best part of the day's gone. But we can't have our cake and eat it, can we? So they've just gone out now. Yeah, it's raining, look. See that on the pond. There's the 2 reds in the bottom box. She's now wondering where the heck her eggs are gone. Anyway, it's time for a cup of tea, and we'll see you later. Bye for now.